a vision? See, vision is what you want to see in this world. Vision is beyond you, right? Vision is an aspiration. For example, Blossom, we had a discussion with Blossom. She's on my personal consulting and her sessions have started. So I would like to take her example because when she had filled the sheet, she wanted to raise the vibrations of the planet. So her vision can be as simple as raising the vibrations of the planet. That's all. Because it is an aspiration and it is always in present continuous. Whatever she is doing, that vision has set her direction and she can continue to create many programs, many offerings around that vision, which is raising the vibrations of the planet Earth. Right? So it has to be a larger than life kind of a statement. It has to be the change that you want to see in this world. So I would like to know, what is it that you want to see in this world?
People leading anxiety-free life and enjoy their life to the fullest.
And enjoy the life to the fullest. Okay.
Yes.
So talk something more. So with your art of relaxation or with whatever, you have your sense with nature, what exactly, tell me more about that. Why nature is so interesting to you?
Yeah, from the very beginning, since my childhood, I was wandering a lot and exploring so many things around me. From even the smallest things like insects, birds, and all those things, they fascinated me. And even the plants also. And ultimately, over the years, I am a person who is more in sync with my surroundings, nature, and things like that. Then gradually developed itself into interest in spirituality, and I am follower of the Ramakrishna order, things like that.
Okay, so TED has this vision statement, inspiring ideas. Okay. Right? The vision statement of TED Forum, TED is inspiring ideas. And for IKEA, it's like, simplifying your everyday life. Right? So in few words,
allowing connecting everybody with nature, or helping you to connect with nature, things like that.
No, we have to still brainstorm on this. I need some more thoughts to come out of you. So what happens when people connect with nature? What happens? How is it going to help when people connect with nature?
To find peace, inner peace within every one of us, that is hidden, that is the potential space of peace within us. You can uncover that while we are connected with nature. Something.
Okay. No, we need more. The vision statement will not happen in one shot, so I need you to more ideate on that. Can I see? Is it anything to do with coexistence of the coexistence of all different life forms?
Interconnectedness. Like the same energy which is going through every one of the life forms.
I'm just making a recommendation. You can leveraging the interconnectedness, leveraging, because it can always, because your the interconnectedness that exists among different life forms, different species, different life forms.
Yes, ma'am. Different life forms should be fine. Yeah.
Because you are handling human being also.
Yes.
Sentient beings, you're handling us, you're handling insects, you're handling plants, you love nature. So that is one thing. And you said art of relaxation is just one of the offering there. So it's like leveraging the interconnectedness that exists among different life forms for peace and prosperity.
Oh, great.
Prosperity for what? Outcome, right? So we have to put the outcome also. What will happen, right? So we can, can further, if you ideate on this, because that is why I say I'm not your coach. I will not leave it up to you to do it. Okay. So for me, I will make recommendations and you can fine tune that further.
Definitely, yeah.
So does it make sense? Is it interesting?
Yes, very much interesting. Very interesting.
All right. Now the vision is an aspiration. So always you want to leverage the interconnectedness that exists among different life forms for prosperity on peace. Right?